Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Clash Royale account from Supercell ID. First, open the Clash Royale application on your device. Once the game loads, locate and tap on the three horizontal lines icon, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the main menu. From there, select the Settings option to access your game preferences and Supercell ID information. Remember, this process is permanent. Once in the settings, find and tap the Help and Support button. This will take you to a new screen with various frequently asked questions. Look for the Contact Us button, which is typically located in the top right corner or at the bottom of the page. Tap this to start a chat with a Supercell support agent. Clearly explain that you wish to delete your Clash Royale account and the associated Supercell ID. The support agent will then ask you several questions to verify that you are the legitimate owner of the account. Be prepared to provide details like your account's creation date, any in-app purchase receipts, or the names of previous clans. Providing accurate information is crucial for a quick verification. Once verified, the support team will initiate the deletion. This process typically takes a few business days to complete fully. Before confirming the deletion, make sure you have used any remaining in-game currency, such as gems or gold, as these will be permanently lost. Also, remember that deleting your Supercell ID will affect all games linked to it, not just Clash Royale. Once the deletion is complete, your account and all its progress, including any purchases, will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered. This is a final and irreversible action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.